Hi, today I want to show you that you don't need to travel far to spot amazing wildlife. This is our front hedge where we've seen something amazing. Here's some things that I saw on my daily exercise earlier. Hi, even though we've already talked about them, on this lovely wet day we've found some red ants. Came across a puddle and there was a colony beside it. Somehow they must find their way around it to create this sister colony, ruled by the same queen. It's amazing what you find on a wet day. Here we've spotted some tadpoles. There's another.
What do you know about tadpoles, Shaun?
They like to eat algae, and some tropical frogs take their babies down to the water. But our frogs, babies, so tadpoles mainly stay in the water.